everybody. Welcome to Spelling with Ellen. Today we're going to be writing some words using the sounds s, a, I, t, and p. I invite you to go and get a pen and paper or a whiteboard and a texter and follow along with me. You could read the words with me and then you could write them. Let's go. Let's start by saying all of the sounds first. I, a. With regards to the letter P, if you're in a school in Victoria, WA, or the Northern Territory, you might usually write a P this way. And I call that a school P as opposed to a book P. And this is the one we see in books, obviously, more often. For the purpose of this video, I will be just using the closed shape. Okay, let's build some words. First, we're going to segment and then blend the word. And then I'm going to show you how to stretch it out. T, I, p. Tip. If you're finding it tricky to go sound, 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 word, a slower way to do it is to first stretch the word like this. T, t, tip. And that stretches it nicely. So let's say the sounds again. T, I, p. Tip. By it, let's pop in another sound. T, a, p. Tap. T, ta, tap. T, a, p. Tap. This is the stuff that comes out of trees. S, a, p. Sap. S, sa, sap. S, a, p. Sap. And when I'm super thirsty, I like to have a sip. S, I, p. Sip. Let's stretch it. Si, sip, sip, sip. Let's start this time just stretching the word, getting your mouth ready for each sound. Ma, map, app. Whoops. Map. You don't want to fall into one of these. P, pit, p, it, pit. Now it's your turn to say the sounds and read the word, and then you could pause the video and write each word. Pit, write pit. Pat, write pat. Map, write map. Sip, write Sip. Sap. Right, sap. And the last one, tip. Right, tip. Thank you for watching, everybody. See you next time.